Hop on in. Attention all animals. We are here at the savannah. Now you all are gonna find all the animals here on the savannah. Including you, Noah.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do this now. Okay. Now to find hippo, zebra, lion, and elephant now. Here I go now. Sorry, Harry and Hugo.
Wow. Let's try this again now.
This is fun.
Attention all animals. We are here at the rainforest and tropics. Now you all are gonna find all the animals that lived in the rainforests and tropics. Including you, Flossie.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do this now. Okay. Now to find gorilla, tiger, flamingo, and panda now. Here I go now.
Great. Oh, come here.
Attention all animals. We are here at the ocean. Now you all are gonna find all the animals that live in the ocean. Including you, Divin.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do this now. Okay. Now to find whale, dolphin, fish, and seahorse now. Here I go now. Noah? Ahem. Splash. Ha
Hey.
ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha. That's funny. Ha 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 ha.
Attention all animals. We are here at the outback. Now you all are gonna find all the animals that live in the outback. Including you, Mozart.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do this now. Okay. Now to find wombat, lizard, koala, and kangaroo now. Here I go now.
I drew a dog and a monster who is now a wombat.
Okay, kid. I'm ready.
Okay. Here I go now.
Attention all animals. We are here at the polar regions. Now you all are gonna find all the animals that live in the polar regions. Including you, Penelope.
Okay, ma'am. I'll do this now. Okay. Now to find seal, caribou, polar bear, and penguin now. Here I go now. Yahoo! I'm a winner.
Gasp.
Great job,
And
Penelope.
here comes the penguins now.
Well, it's getting late. You better get back to the ark and get ready for bed.
Okay?
Okay then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye then.
Attention all animals. Penelope. Are your 4 friends all asleep?
Yes, they sure are, ma'am.
Good. Anyways, we are going back to the zoo so you can go back to your pens and get ready for sleep. Just like these 4 when they are asleep right now. Right, Penelope?
Yes, ma'am. And when we get back to the zoo, we will say ourselves, good night. Sleep tight. And don't let the bed bugs bite. And we'll also say,
Raw. The end. And thanks for watching.